I hope this is a clear shot for you. In here there is a O-ring. Some of us may call it dampeners. You could slip it out and remove it. This is a hose clamp that people are using, and they're doing their best to get it in here so they can do their twisting. You're going to have to take this part over here. You're going to take this part over here and start to cut down to the size to fit in this particular area. This ring can be dropped back onto the lens. And work back in. The importance will be for you to have this not scratch your actual lens. This is a demonstration of what people are trying to do to fix their focus of a camera.